So Whynter sent me this replacement unit because the last two units that I had was overdrawing amperage. And this one is model ARC 126MD, and it's also rated for 11.8 amps, 1355 watts. This thing has been running for about 15 to 20 minutes, and it's set to 70 degrees. The air coming out is cold, and I have both of these hoses hooked up. And the ambient temperature right now is probably over 100, but this only goes up to 94, so I would say maybe like 105 or 110 right now in the garage. The only way I can reach this unit is via an extension cord, but this extension cord is a 12 gauge extension cord, and it has the horizontal plug. So this is a very thick 12 gauge cord. You know, compared to this, like the 14 gauge, this is a lot thicker when I've plugged in. So it's definitely not the extension cord that's causing the issue. So this is a brand new unit that just sent me on Friday, 2 days ago, and as you can see, this thing is still drawing 18.7 amps. 18.5, 18.7, almost 2100 watts, 120 volt. There's a little bit of voltage drop. So let's see what the climb meter outside say. So this is the garage, and this cable is okay, it's not too hot. This thing is drawing 18.6 amps. And the air coming out is really hot. It's about, I measured, it's about 184 degrees, so it's almost boiling water.